के एक्सपीरियंस का लाभ भी अगर हम लोग देने में हमारी टीम से अगर शेयर हो सके तो इसका माध्यम लोगों की उपस्थिति तो हुई है। CII भी इसके लिए यहाँ पे आया है। मैं इसके लिए CII को इसके लिए हृदय से धन्यवाद देता हूँ और विश्वास करता हूँ कि मिलकर के हम लोग एक अच्छे ढंग से आगे बढ़ाने में हमें मदद मिलेगी और हमें इसको एक दूसरे का साथ शेयर करने में अच्छा होगा।
Says that like Indian employees constantly share experience between both countries, there will be a joint technology and digital agriculture which will be emphasizing upon, which will help to increase by 3 or 4 times the total agricultural produce that we're having. He said he wants the farmers especially to be benefited from this tie-up, and he said this technology should be emphasizing on economically viable as well as sustainable in terms of environment. And he looked forward to the farmers learning this from the legal counterparts. The greatest challenge, he says, right now is to fight the chemical-ridden farming that is being more prevalent and bringing in natural methods that would really lower the cost of agriculture and hence increasing the overall profits of the farmer, which is a major concern. All these programs are being constantly run in the UP under the able leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, and both the union government and the state government are determined to do this. Just to support this, there are 6 agricultural universities that are running and functioning very well within the state purview. He said every district has a special center where high quality seeds are being given to the farmers so that yield can be increased. And he looked forward to a continuous cooperation between Netherlands and UP, where Netherlands can provide technology and UP would share its experiences and we can go further.
Here is all of you.